This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 16 Pro Max is updated and that apps you want to use can show live activities. This matters because Dynamic Island depends on system and app permissions. Once done, unlock the phone and open a supported app like Music, Timer, or a rideshare. Make sure notifications are allowed for that app, otherwise the island won't expand. You'll see the pill-shaped cutout respond as the app sends activity updates. This is the visual cue you're ready to interact. Now you interact. Tap the Dynamic Island to expand quick controls or glanceable info. This gives you immediate access without leaving the current app. If you long press, a fuller overlay appears with deeper actions. Use that to pause, skip, or view turn-by-turn directions. Once you make a choice, the island updates in real time because it receives continuous data from the app. If you need to clear it, swipe it away gently or tap the app icon to jump back into the full app experience. To finish, close the live activity by swiping the Dynamic Island away or opening the app and stopping the activity. This releases the persistent UI and returns the pill to idle. If the island becomes unresponsive, force quit the app first, and if that fails, reboot the phone. This often restores the system bridge between apps and Dynamic Island. Make sure background app refresh and notification settings remain enabled so updates keep flowing. Without those, the island won't update or appear reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.